Let us see this param. Under param input, we have the bottom that many people confuse with the Boolean toggle. Please drag and drop the bottom. This param is very unique, and to see what it does, I'm going to connect a panel in front of it. Right there. Let me zoom in. Notice that by default, this is always equal to 0. If you press and leave it pressed, it's equal to true or 1. But if you let go the left click, it comes back to false. So all you can do is press and let it go. How can we use it? We will see in just a little bit another component under sets, trees, a stream filter, and we will get to use the bottom param.